Welcome back, guys. Part 9 of this damp caravan renovation. Sorry it's taken so long for this episode, but had a lot going on. Holiday and Crete, but yeah, I'm back on it. So if you remember, this was the old wall that was extremely damp and took a hell of a lot of effort to get out. This episode, you're going to see me rebuild that wall. So I start with building a frame, adding some foam for insulation, and then I'll be adding some 3mm ply to either side. After I filled and sand all the nail holes, then I give it a coat of the Cabot Australian timber oil, and then for some extra protection, a couple of coats of the yacht varnish. This is the side that will be inside the garage, so just need it to be as weatherproof as possible. I then done the same with the underside of the windowsill, which is 18mm ply, which is what was there before. Then for the other side, I start off with giving it a coat of primer. And once that dried, I give it a coat of the washable paint so that it's easy to clean. For the top side of the windowsill, I used the vinyl peeling stick to give the wood effect. I then added some trim around the outside, which was a little bit thicker than the plywood to give it the look of a nice big chunky windowsill. I used a router to round off the edges, and then give it a couple of coats of the yacht varnish. So now it's time to get the area prepared for the wall installation. I thought it'd be easier to clean this area with the wall down than trying to do it through that hatch, so I get that done first. Bring the wall in. But as I was installing the window ledge, I thought the overhang came out just a little bit too far, so I do take that in to give it a little trim, so it's almost flush against the wall. I used silicone and mastic, ran all the edges, so if anyone in the future did want to put gas back in, there would be an airtight seal. I then add all the brackets and screws back in, as well as the 20 odd bolts from underneath as well. And this is what it looks like from the inside. I do later put some clear silicone around those corners, and just a reminder of what it used to look like. And here is what it looks like now. I'm really pleased on how this turned out, but sorry it's a short video. More videos to come, and catch you on the next episode. Thanks for watching.